Amashri, Grishma, Harshita Verma. See, it doesn't matter if you are returning the wrong answer. Why? Because we are trying to know the things, right? So, but at that same time, we should have at least minimum idea. Yeah, Vardhan Kumar is saying it is D again. Yeah, Karthik, Janardhan, Jayashri, Mr. Ratan, Nitin Ratan. Are you there? 360 roll number. Rakshita, Pradhyamna. Yeah, please put your answers. So everyone is saying that it is what? D, a garbage value. Yeah. What is that question given? Uh, it is a pointer to hello. And now let me reveal the answer first, so that we'll check whether we have given the right answer or wrong. Yes, it is a wrong answer. Now the question is, now can you guess why it is a compilation error? So you know that compilation errors, when you will get the compilation errors, when it is related to syntactical, then only you are going to get compilation error. When it is related to memory, you will get a segmentation fault, runtime. We can't assign string directly to pointer. Where Jaya, very good, Jay Ganesh, very good answer. Siddharth, character is pointing to string. What's wrong in that? Jay Ganesh, are you saying about this?
Third line, sir.
Third line. Yeah, very good. Very good. Now the thing is that here, if you can point a character pointer can string. String is nothing but character, Siddharth. So that character pointer can point to this. Now what is this? PTR is the pointer. This is it. Okay. And it is pointing to some unnamed location. This is what hello. Okay. Your PTR is pointing to this location. And there is nothing wrong in that. This is absolutely fine. When when you are initializing a string to your pointer, it is accepted. Yeah, Swikriti, not that. Not that. Even printf percentage, this is also fine. This is also fine. Fine. Here we are not at all utilizing this space here, character array, but we are pointing hello through the pointer. Now we are updating my pointer. We are updating our pointer to world. Is that really possible? No, not at all possible. This is the syntactical error, right? So you cannot update a string to a pointer. It is not possible. So if it is initialization, this is okay. Okay, is that clear? Now if you look into the print statement, we have got one PTR, we have got A also. Now A is what? Nothing. We'll get a blank over there. Blank over there. If I say, yeah, array A does not have any value. Very good, Lakshmi. Now what if I say like this? If I say world. Now I'll put this in comment. Now what will be the output? So I'm keeping this in comment, right? This is now comment. I'm not executing. Swikriti is saying it is hello world. Siddharth, hello world. Very good. Navina, very good. So now it is a valid statement. You can print hello world on the screen, right? Hope the thing is clear. So the important point here is what? It is a syntactical error because a pointer cannot update a string. Okay, So when it is initialization, you can point to one particular string which is unnamed location. This is called unnamed. This is what unnamed location. Your pointer PTR is pointing to unnamed location. Sir, when I type that code in my compiler, the error is in the first line itself. No, not it. It will be not in the first line. It will be there in the third line. Observe this. Observe it carefully, Siddharth. Check whether. Just put this in the comment and check. It will definitely work. Right. Next. Oh. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. This is little small, very cheap trick that we have applied here. So character PTR equals to pointer PTR equals to campus printf star ampersand star PTR. First, we don't have the whole day. Just you will have 5 to 10 seconds time, Amma. You will be given that much time only. And PTR will point C. Naga, who is that? Yeah, Nagacharan. Very good. Deepak, C. Lakshmi, C. Yes, it is C. C is the right answer. Why? Why? Because you are going to have a PTR only, value at PTR. Anyway, this is also value at PTR. These both are same, get cancelled. And you are going to print value at PTR. And what you are printing, not percent %s, it is percent %c. So that you are printing only one character, that is C. Very good, excellent. Now, fast. Yeah, very interesting. A equals to 30, B equals to 5. I have got 2 pointers pointing to those 2 memory locations. And I'm saying P minus Q. Don't execute the code, my dears. So if you do it and if I are returning the answer, it is useless really. You can note it down and you can later execute. You can try it. But now try to evaluate it with your brain, compile it in your memory and return the answer. That will be the good practice. Pointers are not being differenced. Very good. So that Sai Harsha A, okay, Swikriti A, Siddharth error. So that's why it is error. Avinash Poti is saying A. Sai Harsha B. Runtime error. Very good. So A. Lakshmi. So A. What is that? So A. Okay. P minus Q will be the address differences. Very good. Excellent. So fine. So this is what A and this is what B. Assume that it is at 100 and the next address location is 104, right? Am I right? No, it is 101. Why? Because it is a character variable. So you have got 30 here, you have got 5 here, and you have got 2 pointers P and Q, and you are performing P minus Q. Returns what? 1. 100 minus 101. So you are dealing with the addresses. You are dealing with the addresses. All memory addresses are what? Unsigned. Unsigned integers. Okay, all memory addresses are unsigned integers. You will get always positive numbers. So 100 minus 101 is what? It is 1. You are done. Yeah, that is internal part, Sai Harsha. Internal part, we are not dealing with that, even though it is hexadecimal or even though it is ASCII. So actually this is character. So you are going to get a ASCII form of this value, ASCII form of this value. But we are not going to deal with the ASCII directly, that is internal part of the compiler. So it is going to return what? The values in integers or in characters only, not the hexadecimals or not the ASCIIs. So that it is 1. But the thing is right, you said it is hexadecimal internally. Oh, interesting one. A equals to 130, integer character pointer PTR, PTR equals to, okay, typecasted, and you are printing it. Say this is my integer location A having 130, assume that it is at 100, being as character pointer PTR, it is pointing to, okay, it is already typecasted char star, so no problem in that address of A. Now I am printing value at PTR. What is that value I am going to print? Is that minus 126, or is that a garbage value, or a compile time error, or runtime error? Yeah, don't execute it in your systems, my dears. Do it on the paper. So if you execute, you will definitely get one answer. But why we are having this? Why we are getting that answer exactly? Sir, can you get back to the previous question? Yes, of course. After this, Jai Ganesh. Avinash, A. Svikriti, D. Okay. Okay. Two answers has been given. Siddharth, don't execute. Lakshmi, can a character pointer be used for integer value? Of course, ma. We have a typecast operator here. So this is the typecast operator. That is the use of the typecast operator. Very, very good, very good. Yeah, just written the answer, Siddharth. Yeah, the other guys, only few people are responding out of 124 here. So what happened to remaining people? Sahiti Priya, are you there? Deepika, Alekya? Come on, my dears. Please put your answers. Prajwal, Nitya, Nikita, Mohit. Mohit, you are not at all giving any answers today. What happened? Mr. Mohammed, not Mr. I don't know. Manners, yes, sir, thinking. Don't think, work on it. Don't think. We are not cracking the logic. We have logic here. Just we have to work on it and we have to find out the answer, right answer for that. Manish Shekhar, please return your answers. Indu Shreya, Jashwant, Gautami. Yeah, please don't sit ideal over there, ma. When you are there in the call, at least. I am assuming that integer value is assigned to character pointer and printing it may be, it will give some garbage value. Nagacharan, very good. Good explanation also. Deepak, there is no option, but it is 130. Very good. Deepak is thinking that it is none of the above. I mean, it is 130. Very good, Deepak. Navina is saying garbage value. Lashia is also saying garbage value. Okay, fine. Mohan, 467, Mohan. Okay, two people has returned it is as 126. Avinash, Mohit, 126. Right. Now can you tell me why it is 126? Total 4 members: Mohit, Avinash, and here Mohan and someone else were at the very beginning. Who is that? Written it as A. Avinash only. Yeah. Can you tell me why it is minus 126 out of 130? Character will read only 8 bits. Hey, hey, Mohan, I'll kill you. Literally, I'll kill you. Mohan, it's a character. How can it read 8 bits? Is that true? Yes, it is. It is a character. It can read 8 bits. But it is not the right answer, na? Everyone knows character reads 8 bits. Integer reads 32 bits. That's not the matter. How you are getting? Sai Harsha is saying 132, 256. Yes, being as a character. How many actually? How many characters that we have in ASCII chart? 0 to 255 ASCII characters are there, right? 0 to 255 ASCII characters are there. Now, I have got integer A 130 and I have got star PTR. Star PTR doesn't mean that it is signed character PTR. If it is signed character PTR, you will have either positive, you can have positive values as well as negative values also. Now, out of 0 to 255, half on the positive side and half on the negative side. This is what signed character is. Now, right from 0 to, you are moving on, you are moving on, you are moving on. So what is it? 126. How many characters you will have on the right side? 126. 127, I think so, right? 127. And then it is minus 128, minus 127, and minus 126. So 127, 128, 129, 130. 130th character on the left side, on the negative side, it is minus 126. Hence, the right answer is minus 126. You have to check each and everything. Okay, those who has written it as minus 126, really appreciated, and for the others also, you may be the right. Okay, but you have to look into the declaration part. It is assigned. So, being as a character, you will have 0 to 255 and 127 on the right side, minus 128 from minus 1 to minus 128 on the left side. Hence, the right answer is 126. Hope it is clear now. Now, someone asked me to go back to the previous. Yeah, very good explanations also from your side. Really appreciated. Yeah, Dhanma, someone who asked me this to go get back to the previous. This one, right? Yeah, fine. This one, huh? Yeah, yeah, it is solved. Huh? Very good. If it is solved. Samrudh, which one you are asking? The current one, this one, or the previous one? This one only? Samrudh? Yeah. See, what I am saying is, here, in the ASCII, we have got total 255 characters, not 255, total 266 characters, range from 0 to 255. Okay, so this is the ASCII chart. If you find ASCII chart, you can, if you count, you will get a total 255 ASCII characters, right? This is the first part. Now, if you look into the character, okay, if you look into the character, so first let me go with a short integer, okay, yeah. What is this short integer? It's going to occupy 2 bytes of memory. Now, what is the range of this? 0 to 65,536 or something. Let me first, let me consider it as signed. Okay. If it is signed, it should be minus 32,768 to range plus 32,767. Okay, so you will have half negative values, half positive values if it is signed. Okay, so if you are declaring it as unsigned, unsigned means what? Only positive. Only positive means what? All these negative values will turn into the positive side. So 8 plus 2, I mean 8 plus 7, 15, 5, 12, 3, 13, 14, 5, yeah, 5, and then 6. It is 65,535. You got my point? If it is unsigned, you can have 0 to 65,535. If it is signed, you will have minus 32,768 to minus 1. Okay, to minus 1. And from 0 to 32,000, or from 1 to 32,767. This is the range. Samrudh, follow what I am saying. If it is integer, likewise, if it is character, okay, if it is if it is signed character, EA. Now, in this case, how many characters you will have? 0 to minus 1, 0 to 127 here on the positive side, and then minus 127 to minus 1 on the negative side. These are two parts. If it is unsigned, in that case what? You will have 0 to 255 characters over there, ASCII characters. Here it is only 126 ASCII characters, here also 126 ASCII characters, right? Now, being as signed character, it is signed. If you are not specifying anything, by default, it will be considered as a signed. What kind of storage class is it is? It is auto signed, right? Auto, signed auto character, right? SIGNED, signed character. If it is signed character, it will start from 0. Okay, so 127. Okay, in the between, I can say it as 150, 63. Okay. Here I can say it as minus 63. Done. Okay, 0, 1, 2, and so on till you reach to 127. After that, it is what? On the negative side. So after 127, you will get what? 1 minus 128, minus 126, I mean 127, minus 126, minus 125, and 63, and you will reach to minus 1. Okay, now the character integer part is what? 130 here. So you are going to count 130 characters till here 127 and 128 and 129 and 130. 130 is the 126 minus 126 that we are going to print. Is it clear, Siddharth? Samrudh? Very good. Very good. Look at this carefully. Look at this carefully. Sai Harsha. Yes, sir. Clear. Very good. Very good. Very good. So that's what I'm saying always. Getting the right answer is not the important thing, my dears. So you can return always the right answer, doesn't matter. But your interviewer will ask you to explain how you are getting that. That is the important thing. If you are unable to explain, that means it will be considered as wild guess, and wild guesses are not at all allowed. Even though you are returning the wrong answer to the interviewer, doesn't matter to him. But he will explain. He will ask you to explain how you are getting that wrong answer. If the explanation is clearly leading to the wrong answer, then you are in. Come on. Please work on the paper. D, because K goes out of the memory. Sai Harsha is saying D, linker error. Very good. Yeah, roll number 567. Sai Harsha is saying it is D. And he has returned explanation also D, because K is going out of the memory. Out of the memory to where, ma? To your home or to my home? Mohit is saying A, garbage value. As we are differencing an addresses. Okay. Yeah, very good. Yes, sir, by Siddharth. Very good. Lakshmi is saying assignment of pointer followed by pointer of pointer, then it is incrementation compilation error. Lakshmi has given one more answer as uh, compilation error. Very good. Along with the explanation. Very good. Very good. And the right answer is linker error by Nagacharan. Very good. And the right answer is, it is the runtime error. Okay. You are not handling ordinary variable, but it is a pointer variable, right? So that pointers be will take place at runtime. So if something going wrong with pointer, doesn't mean that the error that you are going to get by runtime. So it is runtime error. Now the question is, why it is runtime error? Already Lakshmi has given, right? So this is what that is the right explanation given by Lakshmi. Very good, ma. And this is what J is. Okay. Now, can I write J equals to address of I? Yes. So this is 100. This is 100. That means my J is pointing to this location. Assume that it is at a 200 address location. And in the third line, I have got another statement. It is what? Double star. That means a pointer to pointer. Yeah, Lakshmi. Not at all big deal. You have reached to that already, right? It is K. But it is a pointer to pointer. Now, can I write K equals to address of I? Not valid. Why? Being as pointer to pointer, it can only points to pointer. So K equals to address of J is valid. So now my K is pointing to this location. Absolutely fine, right? And there is nothing wrong in having K++ here. But when you have incrementation of K++, it is pointing to 200. k plus plus leads you to 200 plus 1, that is 204 integer. Being as integer pointer, it should be 204. But being as pointer to pointer, can it point to ordinary memory location? No, it is not possible. It can only points to pointer another pointer. So that's why it is runtime error. We don't have another pointer at 204 area. If I have got something like this, then it is okay, absolutely fine, and you are going to print some garbage value over there. Hope the explanation is clear to you all, my dears. Yeah, others, is that clear so far? Yeah, very good, excellent. Thank you for your responses. When will I get answer D? Linker error. There is no linker error here. So linker error, that means if you have some global variable, before this I have got some integer global variable, okay, integer A, from another file. If you are trying to access this, okay, in that case, being as an external variable, it will gives you linker error. Why? Because external variables can be handled using external storage class. Extern, I should say extern A. Before that, I should include this file also. In such cases, you will get linker error. So you are connecting one file to another file. If it is not there, it is a linker error. Yeah, look into this. Now we are dealing with the strings to the pointer. Come on, evaluate on the paper, please, everyone. Answer B by Harsha. B, fat. Very good. Yeah, one answer I got from Sai Harsha. B, fat. As a pointer points to P, points to 4 locations further in an array, and then -1, so it is fat. Very good. So my pointer character value P. So now can I say that my P is pointing to this? Yes, my P is pointing to this. And star T, T equals to, I'm saying, I am a little confused between hat and mat because size of integer is 4. Fine, we'll look into this. Okay, and we have a T. T equals to, pointer T equals to, we are handling P. Assume that it is 100. Okay, 100, 101, 102, 103. 103, 104, 105, 106, 109, 110, 111, 112. This is what it is. Now, here T equals to P plus P is what? 100 plus size of integer 4, 4 and minus 1. This is what it is. This is what it is. So from there, you are directly going to 4 points. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 points. From 4 points, you are getting minus 1 and your pointer T is pointing to this location. Hence, it is the hat. Lakshmi, is that clear now? And so the answer is hat, my dears. So people will try to confuse you like these kind of tricky questions. Remember, all these are interview specific, very frequently asked questions, right? Yeah, Ganesh. So what is that T is pointing to is P is pointing to 100, right? Yeah, no, Lakshmi, we are dealing with the indexes only. We are dealing with the indexes. We are dealing with the indexes. But 401, 4 minus 1. Let me explain. See, your P is pointing to 100 mark. P is pointing to P is pointing to 100, and size of integer is 4. 4 of 1. You know that you can write. Suppose if you have got array like this, a of 1 equals to 5. You can write the same as 1 of a. Doesn't matter. It is also same. Both these are valid statements. You can write a of 1 or 1 of a in the subscript. You can put the array name. Doesn't matter. Both are same. So likewise, here I got 4 of 1. Okay. So that means what? You are taking place to 4 positions, right? So that is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ganesh. It is pointing to this position. From there, from this 1, 1, 2 minus 1, that is what? It is equals to 109th position. Why? Why? Because you are in not an ordinary array. If it is ordinary array, if the asterisk is not there, then you will move by characters. So 1 not 12 minus 1 is this character if it is a single string, but it is a pointer array, so that you are moving by one location, so that you will move on to the previous location. What is that? It is 109. My T is pointing to 109 now, and I am printing it. Is that clear now? Yes, sir. Very good. Very good. Very good, Ganesh. Thank you. Thank you. Then, yeah, what will be the answer of 0 minus 1? 0 minus 1. Do we have such location, Harsha? No, na? You will get some garbage value over there. Why? Because star t is the just pointer variable. Not it is pointer to pointer. Star t is just a pointer variable. So pointer variable can point to any location here. If pointer t can point to this or this or this outside or before this, anything is okay. Anything is okay. Being as a pointer variable, it can point to any location of character type. If you say 0 minus 1, that doesn't mean that 0th location is this, minus 1 is this. You will get some garbage value over there. Sayarsha. Very good question. Very good doubt, actually. Yeah, very good, very good. Huh. Oh. Yeah, interesting. Very dead cheap question it is. Mohit is saying one. C. Very good. Swikriti. C. Harsha. C. Yeah. Lasha. Oh, long time. After long time, Lasha has returned. One. Very good, Lasha. Lasha Priya. Yeah. Sahiti. Yeah. Most of the people are going with C only. Ramya. Very good. Very good, Ganesh. Yeah. C. Praveen. Yeah. C. Jai Ganesh. C. Yes. The answer is C only. And the thing is very simple. Don't look into the addresses also. Just you have got, yeah, don't look into that much, Lakshmi. See, you have got address of ARR minus address of ARR gets cancelled. So you are going to print one only. Very simple. Very simple. Anyway, if not, this is not a technical explanation. This is logic. If you are looking into the technical explanation, address of ARR 100. This is also 100. No problem. Again, gets cancelled. It is 1. Very simple, right? Anyway, very good, my dears. You guys are really awesome. Yeah. Come on. Since it is integer, yeah, Nalcharan, you are absolutely right. But you are dealing with both the address of ARR and address of ARR. And you are saying minus. Okay? So this is what in between minus is there. 100 minus 100 only. You are going to consider first high precedence na? Precedence is important here. Yeah. Who is this? Sahiti is returning D, 7 as an answer. Yeah, very good, Nacharan. Now look into it and return the answer. D is the answer by Sahiti. Same. Lakshmi is also saying the same. Same 7. Huh? We don't have same 7 here. We have 7. Swikriti is saying D, 7. Very good. Very good. Jai Ganesh is expecting 15. I agree with Sahiti. Yeah. Jai Ganesh is saying it is 15. Mohit is saying 15. Yeah. Actually, the answer is already given. It is the question is not right actually. Lakshmi is saying Lasya is saying it is 8. C. Okay. Few people are going with A. Few people are going with D, and one guy is going with C. What this guy did? D. Ravi is saying it is 15. Yes, the right answer is Swikriti A, 15. Very good. And the right answer is 15 only. Now the question is, can you explain how you are getting that? You can unmute and you can talk, Amma. No problem in that.
As far as I got it, in B of empty bracket and 3 means it is pointing to the first location of the array. Here. Okay. Will be take this bracket.
Yes, exactly.
And then plus plus b means it is pointing to this. I mean, it will consider array from here.
Yes.
And b of 101 means it is changing this value.
Which value? Yes.
And we are printing error of 2 of 1 means this only.
Yeah, exactly.
It is changed to 15.
So 8 got updated to 15. 8 got updated to 15 here in the function fun, right? And then you are returning to your previous main function and you are printing a of 2, 1. So being as a two-dimensional array, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Yes. So if you are saying plus plus means what? You are moving from this location to this location. Now B is pointing to this location. From this location, 1 of 1 means what? This is 0th for B. It is 0 here and this is 1 here. B of 1 1 is this and you are getting updated to 15 here and you are returning. So in the main you are printing ARR of 2 of 1. 0, 1, 2. 2 of 1 is 15. 15 is the right answer. Very good. Very good, right explanation given.
Sir, I have also one doubt.
Yeah, please.
Like not related to the means answer because that is correct, I know. But I am saying like, what if happens that this function where we are calling the arr, instead of that, if we directly write plus plus arr and then change arr of 115 in the main function itself.
1 second.
Will it happen the same?
Without this, if you put ARR plus plus, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ARR plus plus and then you are saying that ARR of 1 of 1, huh?
Yes, sir.
1 of 1 equals to 15, right? So it is what? A compilation error or segmentation fault. Not segmentation fault, it is compile error. Why it is compile error?
Because array is constant pointer.
Yes, exactly. Array is a constant pointer. Being as a constant integer pointer, you can't get incrementation of ARR. If it is a pointer, you can get it. So that's why we did the same in the function. Now B is a pointer and it is pointing to that location. You can have incrementation of that. No problem. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Very good doubt actually. Appreciated really. And the all other guys, is that clear so far? Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you, Mark. Thank you. Now, look into this. Integer rows equals to 3, columns equals to 4, I check A of 3, 4. Why? Fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has been given. 3 rows, 4 columns. Okay. Not enough values are provided. And now, what will be the output of printing K? Come on, evaluate it. That 0, 0, does it indicate octal? You have to tell me, Mohit. The ball is in your court. Actually, octal is that 0 or O or something. It is 0 only. 0, 0. No output. 0 and 7. Come on. Why this much time? 0, because all the other values will be greater than 0 by Jai Ganesh. One answer as 0 by Jai Ganesh. Yeah, Lasya B. No output. Okay. Only 2 members has written. Okay, and the right answer is 0. 0. And the explanation given by Jai Ganesh is absolutely perfect. So here I have got 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, right? Both are same, na? I can write 100 zeros like this, which is 0. I can write single 0, which is 0. Both are same. And there is nothing wrong in writing n number of zeros or 1 zeros. Both are same. Oh God. Fine. So now I equals to j equals to k equals to 0 only. I equals to 0 to less than rows, j equals to less than 0 to less than columns. If a of k and j less than k, what is your k value? J. Okay. If a of kj, a of kj is what? All this. You have got 3 into 4 and the remaining all gets filled with zeros. Total how many? 4 into 3. Total 12. Okay. These many zeros are there. In all the cases, you will never get a of kj less than k. K is already 0. All these values are greater than or equals to 0. So you are not going to have updation of this. So that hence k remains 0. You are going to print k0 only. Hope it is clear. Fine. Fine. Very good. Yeah. Now look into this fast. Fast. Only 10 seconds. Hold on. Come on. Yeah, last 5 seconds. Excuse me. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Three, two, and 1. Yeah, Mohit is saying B. All ones. Jay Ganesh is saying it is C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 2 answers. 1 is B, 1 is C. Option C, Lakshmi. Very good. Very good, Ma. Come on, the remaining people. What you are getting there? We have got only 4 options. Not n number of options. You can easily choose one. But don't guess. Pravinya is saying C. Lasya is also saying B. Yeah, Navina, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And the right answer is B only. So array is, Mohit is explaining, array is constant pointer. It won't be changing. So, no, here there is no matter of constant pointer and all. Here I got a pointer to this location. Very simple, right? And I started from 0, I'm reaching to 5. So started traversal and reaching to this location. While traversing, I'm printing value at ARR. Value at ARR is 1 only. You are getting incrementation of PTR, but you are printing value at ARR 1. Incrementation of PTR, value at ARR. Incrementation of PTR, value at ARR. Incrementation of PTR, value at ARR. You are printing all the time through the array. Value at ARR remains always 1 only, so that it is all ones. Okay, so you have to observe very carefully what you are printing, what you are incrementing. This is a very important thing. Okay, hold on. Hope it is clear. Note down the next one. Yeah, please work on it. Yeah, Harsha is saying C, no output. Mohit C, no output. Deepak C, no output. No output. Jai Ganesh is also saying it is no output. Very good. Oh, 0/0 is null. C. Yeah, very good. Very good. Hence the answer is no output only. Why? 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 Because not it is null character. Because of not it is a null character. Because it is a non-printing character. Okay, all these are non-printing characters. Non-printing characters are not printable, so you are not going to print anything over there. In the previous question, how the value of array is 1. Yeah, okay, we'll look back into that. Deepak, it is pretty clear, right? See, forget about the remaining things here. Forget about the PTR and all. Okay, we don't have anything there. Now, these two statements are not there. What is ARR? ARR, this is 100, 104, 108, 112, 116, 116. And you are printing value at ARR, value at ARR. So, value at 100. Value at 100 is what? 1 only, na? That's it. We don't have anything there. So, what you are going to print? Only 1. How many times? 5 times. 1, 1, 1, 1. That's it. Is that clear, Deepak? Is it not 1.2? Sahiti, very good question. But always, that's why I always ask you to observe the statement. What is the type of data? ARR is of integer type, so that it will only store 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If I print star PTR, in that case, if I print star PTR, the answer would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sahiti, is that clear now? And Deepak? Yes, of course. On printing also we are saying it as percentage, integer only. Very good, very good. Very good doubts actually. You guys are really awesome. You are raising the right doubts. Okay, fine. What will be the output of this program? Character S is equals to set of characters are there, and I have got several pointers and evaluate it, return your answer. You have to. Now you have to work on ma. Yeah, what is the answer? Now we have to find out the ASCII values. Any answer from your side, my dears? 100. I'm getting answer as 100. Mohit is saying it is 79. Okay, two answers. I got two answers. Okay, Harsha 79 by Mohit. Harsha is saying it is 100. 67, 65 minus 32 as 100. And the right answer is 77. Why it is 77? How? Even I have to evaluate. So, okay, fine. So first, P is S of 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is your P. Okay, then str equals to P. Str pointer equals to P. Okay, str is also pointing to this. And str1 also pointing to this. Okay, str1, right? Then first, plus plus star P. Plus plus star P is what? First star P is 10. Star P is 10, right? Null slash and value is 10. 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 plus star str of 1. Star str of 1 is what? Value at str of 1 is what? 10 only. Is that 10? str1 is pointing to yes. Yes, 10. Am I right? Let me evaluate it. 10, 10 plus 1 minus 32. No, this is not fair. Where? Star P. Sir, str1.
Sir, why will str1 point to new line? It will point to A, right?
Where it is? str1 is okay. Is equals to yes, right? Yes. Yeah. Yes. Is pointing to S. I'm missing this. So it is str1. So it is 91. I mean 97. 97. Okay. Now evaluate this. What is that you are getting? Is that 77? Yes, Lasha, it is pointing to A only. I did a mistake. I have not seen this. Is that 77 the right answer? Is that the right answer? Yeah, it is 77. You have to do like this. Evaluation should be done like this. So now important thing here is when you have got an expression like this, first, what is that you are going to get? P equals to P plus 1, then P plus plus. Or, P equals to P plus 1, and then the value at P. Or value at P, then P plus plus. This is the important thing in this case. So high precedence will goes to asterisk. So first you are going to get the value of P over there. Then P plus 1. So 10 plus 1. Hence the answer is 77. Hope it is clear, my dears. Sai Harsha as 10. What is that as 10? What is your doubt, Harsha? Why? How str1 is pointing to that only? No. Why? Because str1 equals to S. We are clearly saying that it is S. S is your array. S will points to the base address. So str1 is also pointing to base address. That is the first element. That is A. That's it. Is that clear? Good. Now, the cheap question. Now, how did you know value of P is 10? Not value of P is 10. Harsha, how did I know? So we know that. Then practice makes. Someone practice makes. Not yes. Everyone perfect. Exactly. Very good. So everyone perfect. So it comes with practice only. So we have practiced this so many times, and we found that /n is equals to 10. Okay, this is the ASCII value of /n, not P value. It is the ASCII value. Okay. Yeah, Siddharth. Not only you perfect, me perfect, everyone perfect. Very good. Now let's get into the topic. What is the answer? Very simple question. This is so error 2, printing error of 3, compilation error. Harsha, Svikriti, Mohit, Naga. Okay, very good. It is 0. Now, can you tell me why it is compilation error? But ARR is not declared. Hey, it is the declaration part only, na?
I mean to say, like, sir, it may occur like referring index to on ARR which is not defined, something like that.
Okay. Size of array declared is only 1. Yes, exactly. See, the thing is that if I say integer a of size 10 that equals to 1, 2, 3, what happens? So a will be declared and 1, 2, 3 will take place, and after that the remaining 7 will get filled with zeros. So if it is not enough values, you will get filled with zeros. If it is initialization, I'm talking about initialization part. So if I am saying same, a of 5 with 1, 2, 10 numbers again. Now what? It is error. Now what? It is compile time error. Okay? Why? Why? Because you have got excess values, but you are saying it is limited size to 5. But you are providing excess values, which is not at all acceptable. During compile time, it will raise the error. So it is the compile time error is the right answer. Now, the answer is wrong here. It is not 0, right? It is the compile time error only. Now the thing is that what if my array is declared, initialized to this only. These 3 are not there. Now what will be the answer? Now what will be the answer? C is 0. Again, compilation error. Mohit is 0. Okay. Okay. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It is 0 only. But it is not the 0 actually. You have to say it as not the 0 actually. It is some garbage value. You may expect 0 or you may expect 1 or you may expect any value. But any value, even though 0, 1 or 10 or very bigger number, it is garbage only. It is not in the frame. It is not in the memory of ARR. It is outside.
Dali.
Something else you are getting. That is garbage value. Why? Because it is auto integer. If you are not specified anything, default storage class auto. Default value of auto is what? Garbage. So you are going to get garbage value. Yeah, very good, Sai Ganesh. Yeah, it is garbage as there is no option. Through it is wrong answer. No, you said right. Even 0 is also garbage value only. But you have to say not the 0 but garbage. That is what important thing it is. Yeah. Now look at this. Careful. Maybe little confusing.
Sir, I have a doubt there. Like,
yeah, please.
You said like in the previous case it will be garbage, but like when we declare array usually while coding means suppose we want a 0 array, then we simply write arrow 5 equals to and then curly braces 0, and that makes the whole array as 0 itself.
Yes.
And even when we keep it like means curly braces 1, then the first element remains 1 and rest all becomes 0.
Yes, exactly.
So how can it be garbage? Means when we leave it like without curly braces, we just keep semicolon.
No.
Then only we have the garbage.
Yeah, here we are not pointing to array, right? The ARR of 3. If the size is 2, ARR of 3. Okay.
Okay, yeah, in that case, yes, sir.
Yeah. So we know that your C is not going to perform boundary check. Okay, C is not going to perform boundary check. If my A is of size 5 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So this is it. So now I can print A of 10 also, no problem in that. You will get some garbage value over there. Or you can print something like a of minus 10 also. Doesn't matter to the compiler, it is going to print garbage value because it is not going to perform boundary check. Hence, you are pointing to ARR of 3, which is if the size 2, then 3 gives you garbage value. Is that clear now?
Yes, it's clear.
Yeah, fine, very good. Now look into this. Fast. D. D. 4425. Okay, 4325 by Jay Ganesh. Harsha is saying D. Sriraj. Oh, Sriraj, after a long time, returned one answer. Very good, appreciated, really. It is B. 3325. Yeah, I have got 3 answers, 3 different answers. One more B is there by Lasya. Very good. Mohit, A. 4325. One different answer. Perfect. Yashashwini is saying D. Okay. Very good. Come on. Lakshmi, 4325. Okay, let me reveal the answer. I'm not sure about the answer. It may be, let me evaluate it. So error of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values are given. A is equals to ARR of 1. A. My A equals to ARR of 1. ARR of 1 is what? 2, Okay. 2. Then it is 3. Then it is 3. Then B equals to ARR of 1. ARR of 1 is 2. Okay. B is also 3. Then C equals to A plus plus, that is 3. ARR of ARR of 3 is what? 0, 1, 2, 3. It is 25. C equals to 25. After getting 25, A plus plus, A gets incremented to 4. So hence it is 4325. Let me check. Yes, it is 4325. This is how you have to evaluate step by step. So I already told you that first you are going to get the value, and then on value you are going to have incrementation. So precedence, subscript is high precedence than plus plus, right? So first you are going to have the value, then on that you are going to get incrementation over there later. So first it is 2, after that it is 3. Then here your 3 gets incremented to 4. Hence you are printing ABC 4325. Sir, once more. Yeah, Harsha. So first, A equals to ARR of 1. ARR of 1 is what? 2. 2. You got 2. And then you have got plus plus. So it is plus plus 2. So that doesn't mean that it is 3. A equals to 3. First step. Second statement we are executing. B equals to ARR of 1. Again 2. You are getting 2. Right? Then plus plus. That is what? It is 3. Then C equals to ARR of A plus plus. So that means what? ARR of A. A is what? 3. Okay. So ARR of 3 is what? 0, 1, 2, 3. It is 25. After that, A plus plus. A is getting incremented from 3 to 4. So you are printing A 4. You are printing B 3. You are printing C 25. ABC 4325. Harsha, is that clear now? Very good. We need a 5 minutes break. What is the time? 9:30. Really, really, you people are looking for break, my dears? Okay, Lakshmi is saying it is refreshes the mind. Yeah, in that case, what you will do to refresh your mind, please let me know. Even I know some refreshment, right? Just break is enough. Lakshmi, madam, go and get some water or tea. Yeah, sure. Okay, in that case, my dears, we'll take a break for not 5 minutes, we'll take a break for 10 minutes and we'll come back. Listen to chill music, sir. Siddharth. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Yeah, we'll take a break for 10 minutes and we'll come back. After coming back immediately by sharp 9:40, I'm going to display the attendance link. After that, I'm not going to